The HCF of two numbers 4 and 6 is 2. Find your LCM. HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to A multiplied by B. Right? Here A and B means 6 and 4. So the HCF as 2 and the numbers are 4 and 6. HCF is equal to 2. 2 multiplied by LCM is equal to 4 multiplied by 6. 2 multiplied by LCM is equal to 4 6s are 24. Right? Now divide both sides by 2. So LCM is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 12s are 24. LCM is equal to 12. So the LCM of 4 and 6 is equal to 12. Now here is another question. The LCM of two numbers 10 and 15 is 30. Find your HCF. Now again we will use the same formula. HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to A multiplied by B. HCF multiplied by 30 is equal to 10 multiplied by 15. We will divide both sides by 30. So HCF multiplied by 30 divided by 30 is equal to 10 multiplied by 15 divided by 30. Alright, cancel out the 30 with 30 and divide 10 multiplied by 15 by 30. Alright, 10 1s are 10 and 10 3s are 30. 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 5 is 15. So we got the answer as HCF is equal 5. Since the LCM of 10 and 15 is 30, your HCF will be equal to 5. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 2 and 12. Find your product. So dear viewer, try to find your product and write the answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you have liked the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel.